What's up guys, Robbie here. If you want to learn how to make $1,000 a day online in 2021, then I want to show you exactly how to do that. And it has nothing to do with Amazon, nothing to do with drop shipping or even e-commerce, guys. The way you do it is by using this specific platform right here. It's called ClickBank. And as a matter of fact, right now, I'm actually at the ClickBank headquarters. They invited me out here because I'm their top affiliate on their platform, right? And so guys, here's the way it works and what I've been able to do to have my success, or I've been able to generate millions of dollars a year, and I do it without my own product. I do it without customer service. I do it without an email list. And all I do, guys, is I take other people's products that I don't own, I partner with those products, and every sale I make commission, guys. And the cool thing about this, guys, is most of the products you can promote, you'll make about $100 to $150 per sale. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. So I'm actually inside my ClickBank account right now. You can see I've done thousands of dollars per day. Already I'm doing $3,500 today. If I go to the Marketplace tab, and I go ahead and search for products. Look at this, guys. You have products that are worth, and every time you get a sale, $150, $115, $110, and that's amazing, right? Think about that, guys. Just one sale per day would make you $150, guys. Imagine 10 sales per day, 20 sales per day, 100 sales per day. It's absolutely possible, guys. And the reason why I say that with full confidence is because over the past year and a half, I've helped over 8,000 people from all over the world do just that. Go from having no online experience to then generating hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day. And I want to help you too. As a matter of fact, I want you to hear from some students who are just like you, who had no experience, but are now crushing it online with this system.
Dude, that's awesome. And does it feel surreal now, like when you're looking at your account and seeing numbers like this, or are you kind of used to it now?
No, 100% surreal to just kind of be having money coming in. So as well as this personal best is the 1,000, my previous weekly one was 2,000.
Yeah.
And this week, of course, with these numbers, it's gone all the way up to 5,000. So just knowing that ClickBank are going to pay me $5,000 in like 2 weeks' time, it's just bonkers.
I have definitely never had any prior experience in an online business. I was looking for something that I could do on my own schedule. As you can see, these are my stats. It shows you my days, the 1420. I've had several $1,000 days or over that. And then it shows you my $2,300 day this past weekend. I'm on track to do, a $10,000 week. I'm really excited.
You can see the last,
that's amazing.
The last few months. It's been pretty incredible. Obviously, again, this last week,
That's a great week.
My stuff here.
One thing I worried about when I saw other people's videos was, is it consistent? Are people just getting that and then trailing off? You sort of see a success video and then you never hear from them again. And you wonder, are they just in the background making loads of money, or are they no longer making money? And I can definitely confirm to you, I am still making money, and a lot more. Yesterday, I broke a $4,000 day. I will quickly show you, if you can see that on there. $4,169 yesterday, so that's absolutely massive.
What I earned in my 26 years in my previous job, I got here in ClickBank double in just less than a month. Imagine. So you can do this too. Robbie and the Commission Hero are really God sent.
Dude, that's awesome. And this is pretty cool, actually. I love to see this because, man, you've been pretty consistent, like every single day. It's like, $200, $280 on one day, and then it went to $400, then $800, then you had a couple of $800 days, you had the $900 day like you were talking about. Yeah, man. So that's awesome, dude. And it looks like on a week-to-week basis, like you're bringing in some decent money right now. So what would you say to somebody that is not in Commission Hero yet?
What are you waiting for?
So you can see this system really works. And the best part is, guys, 2021 is coming up fast. And I really believe 2021 is going to be an amazing opportunity, an amazing year where more people are going to be online, which means more opportunity for us to have success online, right? So here's what I want you to do right now, because I don't want you to miss this opportunity. I want you to go ahead and click the link and register for this free training, which takes place today that I'm hosting, right? Now, this free training is all about this system, how I'm helping people, ordinary people from all over the world, use this system to make hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day, even without any prior experience, guys. Listen, 2021 can be your best year ever. You deserve to be successful, and I know I can help you get there, guys. So go ahead, click the link, register for my free training. It takes place today. I don't want you to miss out on this, because this is your opportunity to have amazing success and make 2021 your best year ever, guys. So click the link, register for my free training, and I'll see you on the inside.